Jason Vandriel with TriVan Truck Body in Ferndale, Washington. Our company designed and built this Type 1 ambulance that we're delivering today. I'd like to show it to you as well. Come on and join me on a quick tour. In the interior, we've got full stand-up height. I'm almost 6 feet and I can stand here with no problem. You can see that the interior is nice and bright. It's well lit. It's all aluminum interior lining. The interior lining itself is removable for service if necessary. At the back of each bank of cabinets is a service raceway for wiring. If you need to add or update any wiring, no problem, that can be done easily. You can't see it in the video, but the entire ambulance is insulated with 2 inches of urethane spray foam insulation. It's got R14 thermal value, which means that in the summer your AC doesn't have to work as hard. It's also got great sound attenuation, which keeps it quiet inside the ambulance for a nice place to work. A great part of the TriVan ambulance is our electrical system. We've got a Blue Sea Systems marine panel that's got multiple 12-volt sources. All breakers are individually labeled. There's spares and room for more spares. It's easy to get wire to this panel from anywhere in the vehicle, so you can add stuff very easily. Over here we've got a small monitor that keeps track of system voltage as well as amp draw. Once you drop the cover down, you can see that everything is clearly labeled. It's easy to access, very easy for service, and an all-around robust electrical system. We've got a 34-inch floor height, even though it's a 4-wheel drive chassis. We've also outfitted it with an aftermarket sway bar, so it drives very nice and stable. This ambulance was custom configured for this customer, but we can build them in so many different ways. We'd love to talk to you about your upcoming ambulance project. Please give us a call or check us out online at TriVan.com. I'm Kason with TriVan Truck Body, and we'd love to talk to you about your ambulance. Thanks for watching.